Q121 mathematics. In this video, we are to find the solution set of the absolute value equation. By definition, absolute value of a variable is defined as minus x or x. Now let me use numbers to represent. If you have a number line, we have the origin 0, and then we have minus 2 here, and then this is 2 at the same scale. So if you are talking about the distance between minus 2 to 0 is the same as the distance between 0 to positive 2. So you can say that the absolute value of minus 2 is 2, and then absolute value of 2 is also 2. So we are talking about the distance between the number, the origin. Okay, let's come back to look at the expression here. K squared minus 81. K squared is a perfect square. 81 is also a perfect square. So let's write this as absolute value. This is difference of 2 squared. K all squared minus 9 all squared, which is equal to absolute value of 5k plus 45. So by this, you can simplify further. K plus 9 times k minus 9, which is equal to, we can factorize 5, 5 can go into 45, so 5 out, and then k plus 5 into 45 is 9. Now, by properties of absolute value, we can split this one as absolute value of k plus 9, and then absolute value of k minus 9, which is equal to absolute value of 5, and then absolute value of k plus 9. So we can bring the expression on the right hand side to the left hand side. Absolute value of k plus 9, value of k minus 9, minus absolute value of 5 times absolute value of k plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, we have absolute value of k plus 9 here, absolute value of k plus 9. So let's bring it out. So absolute value of k plus 9 out. So we are going to have absolute value of k minus 9 minus this absolute value of 5 is the same as 5, which is equal to 0. So we have absolute value of k plus 9, which is equal to 0, or absolute value of k minus 9 minus 5 is equal to 0. We then look at each of them. So let's look at absolute value of k plus 9 is equal to 0. Now, because this is positive, even if we take the negative aspect, we still get the same thing. So this implies that k plus 9 is equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 9. That is the first part. Then we look at the second part. Absolute value of k minus 9 minus 5 is equal to 0. So absolute value of k minus 9 minus 5 is equal to 0. So this one, because of this negative sign, we will consider both cases. That is absolute value of x, which is equal to minus x or positive x. So let's take the minus one. So minus of k minus 9 is equal to 5. So we are sending 5 to this side. So we have minus k plus 9 is equal to 5. So minus k is equal to 5 minus 9. Minus k is equal to minus 4. So we have k is equal to 4. That is the first part. So the second part, k minus 9 minus 5 is equal to 0. That is the positive aspect. So k minus 9 will be equal to 5. So k will be equal to 5 plus 9. So k is equal to 14. So we are now going to have three values of k. Now we were asked to find the solution set. So therefore, the solution set is k such that k is equal to minus 9, 4, and 14. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, wherever you are, you get it. You can also like the video. Bye.